In this video, I'll detail how to reset AirPods Pro or AirPods Pro 2. So if you have any of the Apple AirPods Pro and you want to reset it to the default, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In some cases, when you are trying to reset your AirPods, you might not be able to reset it and you resort to AirPod won't reset. So this is what I do basically. When I want to reset my AirPod is I go to my iPhone or connected phone, either iPhone or Samsung, then go to the phone settings, click on Bluetooth. On the Bluetooth page, if the device name is available here, just click on the function icon. Then make sure you disconnect the device from your iPhone. And if the device name is not there, just call me and tap Bluetooth to turn it off. Then once you disable your Bluetooth, you can then drop the device. Then take the AirPods like this. Then turn to the back and locate the reset button. Press and hold for like 3 seconds. Then after you hear it to beep, then there's going to be a transition of light from green to cyan. And once the reset process is completed, the cyan light will turn back to green. That is going to be the amber light. And once the amber light stays active and goes off, that means your AirPods Pro is now reset. Then if you go ahead, close the AirPods Pro lid, turn on Bluetooth on your iPhone like this, and open the AirPods, then you'll be prompted to connect your AirPods to your iPhone. So that's how you can simply reset AirPods Pro or AirPods Pro 2. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.